Want to keep your viewers engaged and your content fresh? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your stream title while using OBS Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to update your stream's title on the fly, so you can grab attention, announce special events, or just let folks know what's happening, all without stopping your broadcast. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open OBS Studio on your computer. OBS Studio is your command center for streaming. But here's something important to know. Changing the stream title doesn't actually happen inside OBS itself. Instead, you'll need to make those updates through your streaming platform's dashboard. Don't worry though, it's really straightforward and I'll walk you through each step. While your stream is running live in OBS, open up your web browser and head over to your streaming platform's website. So if you're broadcasting on Twitch, just go to twitch.tv. The same goes for Kick, YouTube Live, or wherever you're streaming. It's best to keep OBS running the whole time. Your viewers will still see and hear you as you make these changes, so you don't have to worry about any interruptions. Now, once you're on your platform's main page, look for your Creator Dashboard or Stream Manager. The name might vary a little from site to site, but it's usually on the top bar or in a sidebar menu labeled something like Creator Dashboard or Live Studio. This is the place where you take control over all the details of your live broadcast, from stream settings to chat, and of course your title. When you've made it into your dashboard, take a look around for the area that lets you edit your stream info. On Twitch, for example, there's a button that says Edit Stream Info, often with a little pencil icon next to it. If you're on YouTube, you may see an edit option near your live video feed information. Sometimes these buttons are tucked away, but don't be shy about clicking around or using the dashboard search if you're having trouble finding it. Every platform wants to make this accessible, but the layout does change from time to time. Click into the Edit section, and you'll see a field labeled Title. This is where the magic happens. Type in your new stream title here. Maybe you want to announce a special guest, switch up the game, or let your viewers know about a giveaway. Make your title catchy and relevant. It's what pulls people in as they're scrolling through streams. For example, Epic Boss Battle Live is much more engaging than Gameplay Part 3. Don't hesitate to tweak your title during a stream as the vibe changes. Viewers appreciate the updates. Once you're happy with your new title, look for the Save button, which might say Update, Confirm, or even just show a check mark. Click that, and your stream information will update instantly for all viewers. You can even check your stream listing in real time to make sure your changes came through. Sometimes you might need to refresh the page, but usually it's immediate. And that's all it takes to update your stream title while broadcasting from OBS. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in attracting viewers and keeping your stream dynamic. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or share how you use stream titles to connect with your audience. I'd love to hear. And of course, subscribe for more tutorials and tips to level up your streaming. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.